Show me that. Show me that. What is that?
This is a browser.
What does it do?
Like powers the computer.
How do you call this?
Hard drive. Okay,
What is that you guys have removed?
this is a seat. What it does, it keeps the CPU cool.
And what is this thing which is on top of it? I'm seeing some material on top of it.
It is thermal paste.
What's the use of thermal paste?
It also keeps the CPU cool. If you don't put it that
Good Monday, everyone. Today we are nowhere else than Shekinah Glory Christian International School, the best international school in the eastern part of Uganda. I know you're expecting a little beautiful face to present to you this video, but no, today it is me, surprise. I'm going to show you some little things about computers and the lessons that we have here at Shekinah Glory Christian International School. You are all welcome to visit us anytime, anywhere.
Since it has been a long week of this work, I wanted to dismantle the computer and do some maintenance.
Early in the morning, all of them looking so smart, they decided to do some computer repair and maintenance to clean up inside the computer and gain more confidence. There is some confidence you can already see in the way they are doing their things. Without fear, they know exactly what they're supposed to do and what they're supposed to touch.
They are removing the fan.
Okay. Remy, so what are you removing?
The RAM.
Removing the RAM. Let's see it. So what's the use of a RAM?
It stores things temporarily.
Temporarily. Okay. Good. You're removing what? Okay. What do you like about computers?
I like everything, but if I am to choose, I like this.
Okay.
Our computer classes are never boring, they're always on top. Kids really love having to touch the computers, to darten a bit their hands. After a very long time of serious piece work, it's also enjoyable to touch something practical.
Everything sits on the motherboard. It's like the mother of the computer.
Fully dismantled, clean, and now ready to be packed up again.
Doris, so you also know how to assemble a computer?
Yes.
That's the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed. Next time, laptop repair, we shall go on with graphics and why not programming, because all those things are done here at Shekinah Glory Christian International School. And I hope that you like, you subscribe, and don't forget to comment and give us what you think about this kind of videos that we are giving you.